Yo, assalamu alaikum, Gambia. Kaimba fala mobe ko assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Good morning to everybody. Nata kotoke drong. Bawo sign doko kuma stale. Guy doko kuma stale de. Yes. Bankola kachalom drong. Pour fitina kanake. Kanyo ya marlom. Na hakilin dingol la. Ka lafa altel la hakil balukan. Altel milkan jube. Mbe mo be konton nabi arami so somandala. Mba fala mo be assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh ta'ala. Badi Gambian kolu nata kacha min na wala mnyinti ko kabo 1994 la kata fo 2016 la Gambia tambita kujamale kun kujama bade kujama ba nko mol ka disappearale nko ka mol fale nko mol man garantie soto la do kudula nko ka mol intimidate le nko pruwe bo pour mol ye fangol soto bari nataje wolbe muruka nan na banko kam koteke nga min kele mi ya lonko nga tambindi alota dawo da akaw kumol lef bari bi wole nata ke moti mi ya lonka be wole sulo dundi kam koteke so mbe o kele no la nyaadile nadiamo folo mba folo la gamtel Lamin Tunkara ali ya lonko Lamin Tunkara abe sirinu America le molna be kelo be kononu ko Yaya Jammeh mantra banko samba kuka wala Lamin Tunkara wolu wolle nata dunka ke Adama Barrow e ibulisa bari yatra Adama tole de itelle Adama nene ka fay ko UDP beben telle bulo mbe UDP molu mba talale ngay loya dabo bondije adiata UDP nkole amandie mba bondilaje mbete tala mbekela UDP nyaton kote because imman na pour ka transition president ni Lamin Tunkara wolle ba ko komade itelle ka molu kumandi ka fo ko loya dabo laf Gambia lafite tala dokola Adama Barrow la faketa dokola loya dabo le manson nkonali aje banka mane wol mil bebe nyin kam fala tenting wolom ikoyle ko bawo banka wol be interest ala pour ka doko ke Gambian embassy in America foreign service biri ma soto drong itel ko loya da bari wol mu ila hakilo kenyalo ha womu ila hakilo kenyalete so sain wala Lamin Tunkara wol ibe nata muneke ibe be dogo kan pour kana dogo wala Lamin Tunkara enin alkali konte wolu itelle bebe North Carolina so ye wala Lamin Tunkara sambana yake deputy director le foloti bar mol nga nyim folon ko depuis director mimbije ite 5 kilo be konoto 5 kilo be banta because be Lamin Tunkara la kala director we are vindicated afele Lamin Tunkara ke director dron ako civil servant ol manyane dabla la politiko ya rate famo dabe politiko kono kunu ngamo e pa modula ako Lamin Tunkara fango ka barola tisato dunne dukadal fero ka leo natalo fanam bonde nyeje so wala Lamin Tunkara wolle awatambedu safe ko awatambedu dabe politiko le kono awatambedu wala ate saba gamtel ali la moy jande awatambedu wole Lamin Tunkara saba gamtel awatambedu wole Adama Barrow saba mansakunda do ko e koy kana awatambedu le bay ma bay folode bari ya safe e ko muna atina ka da ke politiko kon ala Gambia diya wala atina ka da ke politiko kon awatambedu e safe ya fo ko na Gambia diya wala atina kan da ke politiko kon ha because mbewo gamtelle nga keloke Adama Barrow e pura esi afoye ha bari mbe min fola Lamin Tunkara all eyes are on him Lamin Tunkara badingol lebe Gambia Lamin Tunkara badingol aldiam Lamin Tunkara a felenta be sulo dun kan Gambia mi yalon ko Gambia dingol yo wala kele Lamin Tunkara ba dundi kan Gambia simply because maybe American passport wala babul na Gambia betinya ate se bore ay tasi America ay Gambia to Gambia dingol bulo bari ite Cairo soto laje impossible because ite korok dualante len na banko kan ite bore yeta miracle e be Cairo le soto le bitala dami ate possible la ha awatambe du fama wol kita minister de banko kan so wole history soto Gambia le de wole history soto Gambia le history mi yalongo history correct mba wole do ko ke Gambia so Lamin Tunkara bilomu awatambe du nyanta apiala to them anyanta o letaro dile telula pour ila board ya jube through the ila human resources director abadila wol ila human resources mimbeje mawo tolo mbari mbafana lonnale abe lonnale so we are watching closely mba jube la bi munabe kelela actionti na lafta le state house consult banna civil society organization olu nga moyle dolu diamuta alega na civil society organization olu nga moyle dolu diamuta. But we are watching. If a door is closed, a million doors are open. Nali ya miracle, nali our tambedu by Gamtel, that will be the end of our tambedu. Alkal fanenene. Imagine tele nata ibota America, inata dogo, inata doku nyino la Gamtel, yatra our tambedu ya dami law, ayadada. Yatra awatambedu ye dami lo ayadada imo furi mabota na America ale wuliya sifa befo ale Gambia bedu nyot kono al munafiko leti al nenete progress la Gambia be nyimbata min be kono altelle mol dunda kono because Adama Barrow mano nga molu ka bala minulu ya lonko ya nole isa guide no ya telindi sila kendol al natal ya beti nya molbul afelente banko be pancankalanta banko be panjankalanta bar adama kungo ima jabu ka kuma fono Gambian kol be min moyla kuma kende buka bono ada kono ate bola no ada kono because ay Gambia le jamfa bar altel ni Gambian kolu butunga na jube ni tonya baltel lebul wallahi ala bal progress bar albe fania ni arta ko albe fania le kan alba jela alabe min kala altel fanal wala atinna nintanga banka mane jate be diamula atela ko kante bala fale banka mane ka diamu sifa minke Adama Baroma na ma wo fo mala be mune fola Gambia lo mala last hope is Gambia so I feel ko nimman doko Adama fanaye ninna Gambia tinyata he is going to be the loser but amanke ka malonde he knows very well ko Adama doesn't know bara banka mane ka lole ako Adama is intelligent Adama ya lonna ka minke Adama la se banko sambano banka mane la ka nyimfode banka min da bulata ku kono mi ya lonko amanke sila kendeti na banko ka even though banko mo bebe disparate rinu pour ya jameta but what is wrong actually banka involved tawla kon muna na America bulani boronata si Gambia because I crime le commit America ate alone mi lata ka woto moma wo duai nga wisle ala life benu nyaming America ay muru wo nyam bari truthlet ntede even though yaya jamme be mo fal ni kol be keka ntem mal lafinu kidiye cika Gambia pour ka fuko e babond la ni kidol mil bantaje for 30 December alama alay nemoni kafaro ke alay arjanna firdauso dila hamole bulala ilafta gambia le bondila bar kerinya nyin mol fatata wolato mol fatata wolato so alama alay nemoni kafaro ke o mole ay so arjanna firdauso la so banka mane kadiyam sifa mi go wobe wala kela alin kana banka wo mine but wati binala la bari regret la because mobe balo nako banka manke tonya mote mobe balo nako banka manke tonya mote so lamin tunkara wolbe min ke kan Gambia banko kan imantara doku la Gambia inatale ka doku ke adamala ego massage but our tambedula issue dukare Gambian ko be ke juber lati Gambian ko be ke juber lati nimbota auto today I am a proud member of United Democratic Party. Very proud member of United Democratic Party. Why I am proud? Hey, nyaton kayama easy de. Lawyer Usenu Abubakar Dabo. Alfalum. Nyaton kolom. He got all the quality to be a leader. Isu minketa Saruja. The Fuladu mega rally. Mbe sana jawara tentula bake mba jaila. Anala committee mol be. Ani UDP nko mo be mbe Saruja. Mbe Fuladu. There are colorful ceremony mi yake. Mbe tentula ka mbe jaila. Aketa kaira kono abanta kairo kono. Baba Dinding Jobate. La issue. Lawyer Abubakar Usainu Dabo. Afintita. He takes the responsibility. Apologize to the whole Gambian people, not only UDP, the whole Gambian people. Coming Okota. Ate being the leader and the party secretary general takes the blame. Gambian call Allah ftamune moela kotake. So na UDP dingolu minuli ya lonko. Ibe tonya fasaka. Thank you Toma Musa Isama. Ibe tonya fasaka mo be lota. Ka condemn. Nobody hates Baba Dinding andu moma fuko Baba Dinding manyana na la UDP. Mol hakiloliye mol le ma mil dunta kolaya kono. Andum Islamo form wallet. Baba Dinding all right sotole to be UDP member. UDP ni Baba Dinding mang siye any agreement that andum Baba Dinding manke institution oti. Baba Dinding is a personal human being. A monkey institution, he is not representing any organization, neither in an institution, neither a political party. Baba Dinding came as Baba Dinding Jobate to join United Democratic Party to exercise his civil rights. And he have right to do that. He have right to join any political party. Yalo ilaftal confused lamunela. Thank you, my brother George Cisse. Barinko Cisse kundanko lebe farin na janda ando altermu domor la leti. Sedi kundanko dal balun no la de. Altel kono buga fa andu mano da kola ragambe. So, Baba Dinding Jobate, I write sotole ka join any political party. Molu minulu bal confused kan. Minuli alongo, they just want to see the downfall of UDP. Inate laftaka UDP la nyi issue, Baba Dinding na nyi issue, aning APRC ni NPP la coalition ka foko e be wolle kela kilewante. Wolte kela no kilend. Baba Dinding is not, first, he is not an organization. Baba Dinding, number two, he is not a political party, he is a human being. APRC members, they all have right to go to any political party. Thank you, my brother, Humble Bass. Bambas. Isama. Baba Dinding, I write sotole andu APRC dingolo. Ye write sotole kata to any political party. But coming APRC la executive folu, Kenyu ila executive luala. Ini la executive folu yetasi nimpatio yesi to negotiate or make agreement. Nyine ronta simply because APRC at the moment ye tinyaro leke Gambia andung imampare ke la leader nyimi ye tinyaro ke ka denounce andu imampare fanang imampare to recognize pour minyanta tinandra ko reconciliation o sikeno imampare ka fananke. So nyino mu the different. Baba Dinding is been accused and taken to TRRC. Suspect Lemati follow. Accused person law. He is not guilty of the crime. And even if he is guilty of the crime, Ngamira Jaya Safen na new constitutional konoloko, the prisoners at the prison supposed to vote niyatarako na new draft constitutional wale tatano. Prisoner minuli along, they committed crime. Ibe prisons. Ya itandiko lafitale fanaliye dabula gabankola karte fayoto. So niyatarako even Baba Dinding is serving, for example, at the prisons. I write sotole purka karte o fay and fabe karte o fay la bale kono aba fay la political party le. So this is where we have to understand. So Ousainou Darboe, no, Ousainou Darboe, you amaze me. You are the leader that I want to see to lead me. You are a leader that I recognize. You are a leader that I am proud of. To stand at anywhere and call your name as a leader. Wallahi, because you have the quality of a leader. Nimo dolo muiti. Ibetara silence ye da bondi nyunkuokon. Thank you, my brother. Good morning, Sisla. Ye da be bondi nyunkuokon. But you came, ye mo be jenkendi. Even though nga realize leko, nga understand leko, nyunkuoketele ya ilaftake te fangwe surprise leti. But you took the responsibility. Hey, Gambian kolu nyamama. We are seeing ko Ousainou Darboe got the quality. He got the charisma. He got the character. He got the ability. He got the brain. He got the health to lead that country, to salvage that country. Somebody who fights relentlessly to rescue that country from the bandits of soldiers. Those are Yaya Jammeh. Because Yaya Jammeh ni Ousainou Darboe be nyola watu men. We all fear the life of Ousainou Darboe. Mbele silata ala life la. Because we thought that they can assassinate him. They can kill him. How many times long ambusol kala Ousainou Darboe? Bilombe Ousainou Jalako, he's a problem to that country. Who is fooling who? Who is fooling who? So I believe we will bury the hatchet, forgive UDP, kafoko the mistake that they make. Ni momo ya mutako momanya na mistake la. Ha, otosila ite be fansu manka ala la sign. Because ala damale buka mistake okay. And UDP have taken that, Ousainou Darboe have taken the responsibility, which means ko ngaloneko the victim center. Mr. Kijera will acknowledge that. Kaitan the victim will go, yes, mistake ole keta. Because this is a political party, Mia Lonko headed by a human rights lawyer who respect human being. Benga wolone. So His Excellency Honorable Ousainou Darboe Mbafole is spot on. Thank you, Sisla. Yeah, before job lom dorong, it's a refresher. Thank you. You know, so Ousainou Darboe is somebody me alonko ibana karlale, but he got all the quality. Mune molu sila. If I am a criminal today, or I know that I have committed a crime which malafi molialo, I will not support UDP. Obviously, because ntenga alone ko UDP be lorin tonyale kang. So ntela o crime ye findi, na o kuria ye findi. I will go and support kuria. Puru na kuria ay mabo. Mol minu be alonko imantara hanyire Ousainou Darboe la nala jama ba. Nyin kuria lebe maboring. Ibe silari minna. But Ousainou is not going to witch hunt anybody. Afangote sonna wala. What Ousainou is going to do is that call Tonya Sabati. And Ousainou lafta mola lakira le darala de. Because nintanga mo Tonya Gambia B. Tonya Sabatita. Niwo mari face tankai yamfunye. And I got the penalty here. Nkai ko yamfunye. Na lakiro finansi betea. Oto mo be ni boronya ntana la UDP lenga Ousainou Darboe tambindi. Hey, ika mimfo lakira. Amanke fantasy tide. Abe wole nyama. Ika alkurana tiyol le kafo moli. Alkurana tiyol wole kafo moli. Mi ya lonko. Mimbe alkurano kono ika wole fo moli. So alinga yamfo dani nyobulu nyin dunia kono jambi fo mbebe fala. It's more better. So UDP na la executive for lube. Aliente proud in le kotake. This was what I was waiting because I wrote, Nko, I will take a step back until I see what UDP will do. Oh, my friend, UDP, you amazes me. I'm telling you. Yes, Sisla, only the hypocrites. Wallahi. Ha. But dolbeje ibe fana manke hypocrites dolbeje ma understand le ye brainwash le. But let's still talk to them. Hypocrites all wol theater nak minulia lonko ya long ibe balanding wol bije. But dol fanal bije hypocrites all le wol brainwash. Hypocrites all le wol brainwash. So let's just talk to them. Now make sure they come. And I believe people will come. Because UDP abe expand kan. Nimi yen na sister Jube Alimatu Sowoli ibe dokola. I want to urge Sehu Sedili wala sana Jaju. Let them find out ye Alimatu Sow na tikoteke platform moto ya interview ya la dokuo Jube. Kadum famata kama kango moi nga believe ko abe dokuo la. Ya natinang nga la dokuo je. So oto UDP nkolu mbafola mobe ko this Baba Dinding issue UDP leader a position or tale. So alinkana for fananko we want to see that Baba Dinding have to go. Baba Dinding afanan karte kesole babulu andung ni yatara ko Baba Dinding manyana tarla patito oto IEC manyana na ntella banko na nyati sanki kodo minga karteo dada molie to spend on Baba Dinding. So I write sotoro ka karteo fai. And Baba Dinding is not part of the executive. So nyanta mimfana understand. Wolo nyintiko Baba Dinding got the right to belong to any political party. Ngo moje lebe ya jamela government nung mi ya longo ebe different political party or leto sign. Alinkana woke. Andu mbenna broda fana minketa Karajula Jali wolungaje program olale bar wolung lafta kolla bar komi nga fale kunu nyami wotumo ning kundimo be nyola so akambrandi bake tilibulo kata wula ro kono. But alhamdulillah, today is the third day. I believe today kay alhamdulillah. Because normally it takes 72 hours to me, but amanke ko was 72 hours so benin dimo katranyola aka time le shot ngaje program mola wolo na broda be kamfarim bake mi ya lonko amandali wala Karajula keta mole te miya lonko aka mole choki andun ay minfo ako abadi nga ba fasala tonya kanne andun ngawoje Karajula la kuotole because mune atinna biring baba din tata TRRC ye kumo min be fama Karajula nene man finti to defend baba dinding bari nyindo ni aja finti tanan aya min yitandi wolom nyinti ko baba dindi ye right sotol katara UDP andu womu tonyaleti ako andu nga kuolu kanyang ngala fanan kamfata ako ni mol ko baba dindi ye boje moma fu baba dindi ye bo UDP ako to itel fanal ni la kabiro be bola UDP Karajula wolle ni UDP bungolo foundation o muitelleti because ala alifalu UDP la kol formuta wol nyala le andu nyilmanke ko malan kolti UDP so ni Karajula ko itel bota UDP le awo mama ngamira fa tamba suso wol be dawoda wallahi Karajula nae la ron fankan walla spirit lebe findila kan ate bono la je hana usen dawo bota UDP Karajula te bola UDP womu UDP dingolati UDP yelo la kabora bala jato kono nena nga koto ke dola audio mo yabe Italy le wo audio ka dianye akoyala nombale dundi NPP la grupo kono koto ke ko ako definitely ma ako to nyimari million na nomba ke NPP ako UDP yelo wala ka borate bala jato kono Karajula be wala nyama so na broda ngalon ko wolu nga kamfatale ay diamo doluke wolu ma nyinya bar hadama dingolomo so alinga nyo embrace. This is what UDP is known for. BBBBBBB alaman tankala ni kulatante kam bi wallahi UDP dingolu ala la demarodo al simbonda kono. I know that. Mo base isaje dol se go for me prepare dol se na account of fang nyininka dol se na friend sol nyininka minuli alonko they are close to me just to send me their 5 10 15 20 100 euros or pound or dollars or euro mune hatina UDP kol kanyinge because we love each other. This is why UDP la fonko is handshake. Kuno alie Lamin Sane ning fandin talje ker fatule alia mwele diamu sifa minkeje UDP is well loaded. Lamin Sane took 3 months holiday to come and rescue Gambia. Pala international appointment ola 3 months holiday I wanted her to come and rescue our that small tiny country. Lamin Sane is comfortable alive. Thank you brother Blacksmith Danjo. Temu numu fingolet. Okay. Kodi foro tungante dro yawe. So Lamin Sane wolu. Ite a miracle. Gambia B. Alinga fodrong. Pati jumale beje. Ntelinga mutako. Miya lonko. They are loaded. With people with integrity. Knowledge. Mintamita UDP. UDP is well loaded. Thank you, my brother. Ye mira. Alingata musol follow la karola. We have the Lord Mayores. We have the Olidiba Wadas. We have the Ajiam Sekas. Aji Sukaina Kawolo. Aji Amundao Yabo. Ka Yabo embe kontona sangola hanikabi. Alama ale nemo ni kafaro ke tala ya ni tala to malbe. Hey, UDP folota dula jannede ali mira sukay daba walla ali mira nogo njay walla Fatou Camara wolu mama wolu aja jambandin wolu jukuna suso wolu alne mira nyindini wolu milbi ye sign the democracy the women's lounge the UDP ladies corners the different women fonkol minul beje wala ya tinna nimi ya miracle ite inata UDP le bari iya mutako nite bota UDP wala be UDP collapsing la it makes UDP strong because UDP believed her togetherness lela and that togetherness it's working for us. Thank you, Lamin Dari. Isama. It is working for us. Alinkana song. Kula. Miya lonko. Abenda maulo dundla nyokono. Iben brainwash lala. Wale atina. Nying IEC nying karte kuo. UDP have done their homework on it. Let me tell you people one thing. Jumale lata nyina ko UDP be la filale pour UDP e dan 2021 la ay buruka because Adama Barrow aya fole clearly ko abe UDP taylale Adama Barrow la president ya kote ke 2021 alama be tankala wala UDP be taylale so aliya mutako UDP ko lu be nya lolale IEC la ko lu beke e be tankunding e man fenke. Things are in control. UDP mantaranala social media kawol for molie. In fact, near work drong, they will the IEC la principles and ethics ibati nyalale. But what they could do is that ko ila media kaita ni molla ko everything is in order. Andung sirfo sonko. Mafo sirfo Adama Barrow de la Brikama area council mafo de sirfo sonko UDP TV and media. Anatala I call Klendi Nkoroma na mentor Bamba mas natala ayala worry for. We cannot blame Bamba afana worry tal but mimmu problem of the Bamba should have contact the executive rather than kana forum okono ka kija fara kumo for forum okono which we cannot do anything to it abe mol silalale. I know ko Bamba yo interne in a good way. In a very good way. So bari alinga kata dronko nda mangolun kanyo moy ninna executive olu fanalu mo beni executive olu te diamuno la dol kamune fo haniye koli bukata no e katale alinka ne blame ala ima long ibe muna kono nyilu it de from meeting to meeting ila little space ika min soto and sometimes Gambia telefono fankatara rinkane while they don't even have the network. Send them a voice message. Sometimes, ntenyi lungol kono, nkajele different numbers all can call Gambia. Mili alonko mela number save. It's not because man lafika diamuye, but man tara hanyiring kela telephone pick. For the simple reason is that ko malon jumal lomu. In fact, send me a voice message or write me a text message. Then I could know, okay, this is somebody, maybe and I would like to talk to the person. But non number me long. Ninga mo dola number ta enendu. Abulatan na komola, yatre man na komalong. So these are the problem. So ibe nyimo UDP wara battle pour mobe afoko you want to talk to Ibrahim Adiba, you want to talk to Talib Ahmed Bensouda, you want to talk to Karafa Sonko, you want to talk to Ajia Munda Oyabo or Atekela. No. Let's have a channel. Every chapter. Italy Lombang, Germany Lombang, Switzerland Lombang, we have our country coordinators and we have our chapter leaders. Nining, for example, nibe gasle, nini ma for the chairman diamuno. You can contact Saddam. You can contact country coordinator Jere Kinte. You can contact Ostra Keba Sunkumbaro. you can contact na PRO Yahya Sonko. Nima Yahya Sonko soto, you can contact Wandifa Sane. Nima Wandifa soto, nte Musa Kundingo, you can even contact me. Nte ba make sure lako ila worry mumindi, nga list to my chairman. Na chairman ofana, iteliba make sure lako, they coordinated that in na diaspora representative minketa Mboj Sedikanti, in I contact soto. Mboj Sedikan will relate the matter to the Gambia. So ila worrying, it will come from Gambia. I futam Mboj Sedikan fana ya transmit to the right person so that we, this mouthpiece of the organization, will come out and then deliver whatever message it is. So on behalf of Ntella UDP GAS chapter, na loneko IEC, everything is in control. It is intact. Ntakundingo. I am not saying this on behalf of UDP, but Ntakundingo. Ntenga feel ko IEC should have disciplined those people. Minuli alonko, they have registered 3 or 2 times. Because Niatra ko registered the same polling station 2 or 3 times. Mosa mutako maybe IEC workers will mistake okay. But yeta me singola yebo brikama suma kunda yeta mansarinzu yebo mansarinzu yeta sane kunda yebo sane kunda yeta bojang kunda so automated total because he registered a total, so they should have disciplined them, fine them for money. Inyante fine lale so that model kane sumangala. They should take them to court. Nyante sambala kiti olale. So IEC fanana foko itelimang o time oso ka mosamba kiti ola is totally wrong. Somebody who committed a crime shouldn't go scot-free like that. It is totally wrong. It is not a good example. But IEC la final result ya bondile. So fente la fanoloka. You see, IEC la result benyami. It was 900 and something thousand. Anenete la fanola kotekede. Barasi tala. O tala robe kela nyadile. Alama ala e tala luso arjanola. Dolbeje voters card soto le fata. Dolbeje ila voters card soto rinkola itamata. Maybe wolt ite murula nanno kana electionola. Dolbeje itata le bota tamadula itata e voters card ota. Asikeno dolbe kono ite murunola pour kata carte o fay. Dolbeje milie voters card soto Gambia foundo ila voters card filita. So oto alinga lonko aten lafa nola. Aten lafa la no abe talala le. Oto alinkana, when you live in a glass house, do not throw stone on people outside, because if they retaliate, alinga IEC bula. IEC is not owned by Barrow. It's an independent body. Haniya Tarko, the IEC chairman, is been handpicked by Barrow. But luwa leo fanamfo. Hani lawyer Usenu Dabo. Na nata ni system o man falling. Atelebe IEC la chairman o pikla. Atelebe a pikla. Atelebe a pikla. So oto alinga sabari. Alinga sabari drong. Nga kuolu doman. UDP ntelanga na manifesto soto lenga na 5-point emergency package nga soto. Ngo UDP ya mune soto altel tamalali, altel mil benjube kanjang, minuli alongo you people are living in diaspora. UDP ko ilaftali kan soto bankoka. Ilaftali representative soto ila mansakunda akono. Ilaftali alka alla soto fengol mil bondi tubabru alka samba Gambia ay nafa soto ali. Ilaftale alla investment min alba kela Gambia alien nafa soto je so that you, because nibi Lamin Dari I container ki Gambia, he will employ somebody. because atete tara abe daming abe container firo keka. He must employ somebody who will be earning money. B, ite mariye bungolo Gambia. Ye mol keje pour luaso. Somebody must control that for you, which iba jolale. Ye mune soto alla jata kende ay. Iko ilafta mobe jararo soto. Imalla finga ta Senegal. Imalla finga lopitano to jo. UDP ay tanile ko. Ni wuluta up to 18 years. Imanyana fenjola lopitan. Ni tata fana i pensionta. Fu janning alabe kumandela. Iko imalla fiye fenjo lopitan. Ilaftale nga ventilator soto. Ilaftale nga blood bankol soto. Ilaftale nga boro soto. Ilaftale na doctorolu ye kodi kendo soto no so that ikana na hospitalolu bula ika hauji kata private hospitalolu to do kola. Ilaftale kan na doctorolu maintain. Ilaftale kan na nosolu maintain. Ye mune soto karambungo ye. Ilaftale Gambia la university ye recognize. Ilaftale Gambia dinu leta university to. Ilaftale ye technical school olu yele. Mechole ka dunia samba. Andu ngalone ko ni UDP mansa kunda nata. Ibe dunna tubabudu bankolu kanne. Kataka futa moto industrial la, kafuta dulal la, yena yela hotspot ol yele no Gambia. B, for example, ni Mercedes-Benz, oda VW, VW, wala BMW, ni wol nata Gambia, ye hotspot ol yele je, mi alonko, ma foko ibe motole dadala je, bari motola part mesengolo. Nika motola part mesengolo dadala je. Will be cheaper for them because ni tabe wodo kola jam, maybe they will pay you maybe 1,500 2,000 euro or so, but nibe Gambia hani kejo 500 euro. How much are they going to save here? So mose obe negotiate nole UDP mansa kunda, they know what they wanted to do for the government. Ni tata agriculture ya fole ko 10% of ntella fanko Kenya be nyawo nyam iba make sure le yoko do dunde agriculture kundo. Agriculture e balu. Ntella odindi ya wato. Wotu mo kotondol beka do kuno basele mka o moele nu. Nene maji barin ka moele. Tio, beno, tubamunyo, nyo, mano. Bi jakal pachar ni tata woto. Sapo. Ni tata sapo. Wo wato nte katanu weekend wala sapo. Nyi mimu minister de agriculture. Nkata tele ya weekend wala ami fabure. Ami fabure. Nkata tele ya nu weekend wala sapo. Akanan kama ni masimala Brikama ba. Ninta botana Georgetown. Ngana Brikama ba. She will pick me. I am Sambaya. Akemamu na tichaleti. Another say, ami nintela onkul wala korda Brikama wala nyabe tilindi nyola. So nyolongo benni temale kendeke hormoni mbunya. Fanam benni tem. Nyimimbe agric tente. So wotumo ni tata sapo. Ika jora ngolo milje sapo. Ika dokula militara sapo. He moro. So UDP want to revive the back ya murundina. Imala finna farmers solu ikatara siring ibela samata singolu surla. No, they want farmers to drive their own cars. They want farmers to employ people. They want to make agricultural millionaires. Bi alna tubabu dujang. Ale sama dokulalja, ale farmers solje. They will naful tiolete. They are not struggling for their lives. ala fonye farmer jellebe Gambia because you are just a farmer. You go to the banks in Gambia, ye don't talk $1. They would not. But in Europe jang, farmer wo farmer bejang, na sulata $1 at a bank, they give him or her. Because na farmer soul be recognized lale, be register lale, be document all the sotrako. These are farmers. Irrigation system all ye better. Samatil kandi telefonal better rela process all lekela. Na fishing industry e muru na back to us. Nga nyel sanno nga domono. This is what UDP government want. We don't need the Chinese. Lamino Suare as a fishing trawler sanole I mol employ Gambia. Alame yake. As a fishing trawler sanole I mol employ Gambia. We don't need the Chinese. We don't need the Senegalese people. Ikana na Bangkok ikana nyeo be mutaje after ikana nyeo samba sewole in China while intel lamol buka nyeo domono. So finally nimbota woto nsina oldo mbuka la fa mari la ko diamula Ahmed Jite ngala diamo moy kunu no ngala moy because nga video jele nga kenu low volume. I was watching the actions but not hearing what he is saying. But bring moy molka diamu ko let me just listen. Nata lamoy. Akabe diamu kang ko akadiamu akamanding ko le address. Mbare hakilo buland la minna akawo minfo ate Ahmed Jite munate na mari pirje ko mune atinna Usenu Dabo wolu mandinka palasi tiol munate ne ka surwa musol ni fula musol le nyinin especially ay surwa le outline. Thank you my brother Alaisa. I mandinko le outline ako mune atinna wol ka surwa musol nyini ako wala kordal fankono surwa kan wala ka foje wol mamandin ka yamuta fendi na fiko mankuto wala mu Ahmed Jite bari akawofo to satisfy those people wol bate jele kanne because wol manke tolete wol ya lonne mimbe caring. Weda mandinka dinne afo wala fula dinne afo wala surwa dinne afo wala jola dinne afo, it is something totally wrong. But ate fola no dulato na manke barola platform oti because mune imani ninka mune ya sambana anata nyadile itelmilu be lorinje ike kumandi wala ye kumandi le kotake ilafta nala le puriye nana nendi rolla because ika woleke sambal bajele la dolu fanaliena because nendir dolu beje nitel mawo keno ika sile ko alnga kari kumandi sambal bajele ila nendir lal be kumas la kata bawe buka ticket sa itelle ka sange he bar Gambia de nyin sikal bul wote. Yes Safinyas isama nyin sikal bul wote. So Ahmed Jite alnga hakiloto Ahmed Jite to mo miliya lonko e manke banku dingote banko la kayra buka diede Ahmed Jite ay bordula soto le de abitala Casamance le de ntel manta dula soto de ntel be sila Gambia le de nte mu fulolete abe fania folel ko ye fulolu bondi le ye fulolu bondi ye mandin kolle sey ndi noto hani say mandin kol ka fuko Adama Barrow be mandin ka kelol Ahmed Jite lo wuloti bari falma da kenyaaji ibula ye balu haramola Gambia dingulu Adama Barrow ka wolu bali iketel kumandi ko itele na mo neola Ali Bamba mo neola bari ngalo ne ko Gambia dingulu yalo ne be minkela Adama Barrow ko bilo nga kata fure bade wala banyun bari nga aya fam bade le buva zone yalo fure ko fo adama yofo because fure ko le ata sambanan so spirit la ka finda kan so fasi to fure ko fola ay Gambia doku la UDP alpha lu doku atate ko landi fure wol ko koto so abetula fure ko fola alafta wala kala ko de kede altel milbe sirinje abe o foka fabina oje jallo le sacrifice la bang Fabina Fabakar tombonde sacrifice là-bas. Fabala advisor sol qu'on a besoin de sacrifice. Fabala musol le sacrifice là-bas. Ali pare. Ali pare because altel di bole be joka bi aloko. He deals with dead body. And wol mu setan silo ledi. Wol ni sul ika sula niol. So ni sula tala they have to demand for it. And niya demand he must do it or he himself must go. So altelia amira ko adama ba fon sacrifice la altelia ay fure ko maslet fure diabo ko maslet so ako bilo ma bita fure o bade la badjut bar kunu ngate a fam bade la at the buffer zone because mo be ya jele yalo adama ni kake fon disgrace adama e fan neneje muna ne la mol kete bonina suto ke nati nang because they were trying to gather people na video jele mi yalon ko la mol dunta sata ko ne be tanta ko sike ba foka molo ga alfintina ngata buffer zone oto molbe lori la korda bunda de ka fu tellement tala alta dinni meson lu be no kan child abuse be siarin Gambia baake by Adama Barrow so ni amerijite kallo aka hokuma tinyari mu fa man na fu dulato fo man nin ka ciosan sate oto jambur ngera bala falati de ngamira fo jambur le if my memory could serve me baral nga wo bula ndenga lon ko de ntenga min soto mandin kol bulu ala nin kila ya long imaje nga mandin ka muso nyini ntenga min soto mandin kol bulu kabirin tel dinding nte fama mfulol mfama fula musu killing anene wala fudu wala farmata tambajan nyim farmata tambajan killing ala elder sister ya umi fula musu killing to mal be mandinko nde ba mandinko na broda ba ma mandinko na elder broda wo ba ma mu jolal so you see ntelmo sabalo barim fama ay fula musu killing mandinka musu fula e mandinka musu saba amanka ka e be futu nyolal de hani because nte bama na dar ni wona talale ani ya umi ala man na dindi yani wala bala ni wo fana na tala bodde ikamunta ko ina ta kayele ko min bare muso ko nda fam mbama ani mfama diato num baki janni mfama ban ha baki fo mol ka fonye ko fo wallahi nda bama ta futu ndoma wol famae bring a new problem also. This is my family issue, but mbe example ole dika. Bira new problem also another be staring up famaya. Fomol ka fonyo ko ite bama murundi le fama kamba. Nko hani mbe mbama murundi la ndoma wol fama le ya. And this is what we did. Nsa nole nga samba nga ntelom dinke bati. Nga murunde mfama kam bari hani nga min keta wolom ay muru ndoma wol fama ya fa kende ba no step that alma nemo ni kafaro kelay very good man nimma ninta man konton fo ndoma wol la so name nobody knows na different very good man you see so nyino mu hadama di yadi so nte fama e fula muso jola muso mandinka muso I wolle soto so if these people could stand ika kumolu fo mi yalon ka te caring ika molle nene mo kana som ika mo nene mbe fola Gambian kole ko alinga jamfa Ahmed Jitani Adama Barrow let people don't vote for Adama Barrow nyine be kala na conclusion oti andung Lamin Tunkara all eyes are on you. Our Tambedu, raise your head up. taje ya itandila ko it is my civic right pour nga bawo mbuka political ke office kono jam. But na private life, you people have nothing to do with that. Yes. Yes. So I'll pray for my elders. Mbeduala na alfali mbeduale for ala sinemo nin kafaro. Okay. Somebody is sending me a request. I have only 20 minutes from here to work. So I'll be yamfulanyele maybe another time. This is just good morning. So wala naman telephone number keje for people to call. But normally na so onka telephone number kejele. So mbe mobe hakilo blanla on the 2nd of October, gas chapter la fundraising lom. So let everybody be prepared. Ngana 10 euro, 5 euro, $5, £5 nga contribute. We want to send it to Gambia pour campaign lom for UDP. Please. Please. Okay. Thank you, Abubakar Keta, for your kind understanding. I'm really request. Okay. Thank you. So, so let us do that on the 2nd of October. A mega fundraising bekela. I believe ko latala ko you the Gambians Albert donate lale generously. Abemu to support UDP in this forthcoming election. So na Alpha Kendo minkera ma fode cham Saddam wolu jere kinte wolu keba sunkumparo wolu lalo samate wolu animo kotengolu come with this initiation pour nga nyinke. So dukare mobe sinanang manjutu fenna wallahi hani kolle ke iduata pare malla fi mo kana aten. Okay, thank you very much, brother Alaji Njai. I know you people will do. So I urge everybody hani mimman kodo soto just to call ye dua. It's okay. Because minda dua be jabila malo. So Allah baraka bake. I thank everybody for this good morning show. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Mbe mo be templa mbal jaila.